guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are talking all about how to get that flawless foundation look. I know a lot of you out there are like me who like to keep things pretty natural, pretty simple, and I've got my routine that I've been doing for probably the last month or so. As you guys know, I am pregnant, so I am not trying to spend a ton of time on my makeup these days. I am trying to do other things and also getting myself prepared to not having a lot of time for myself in the near future. So I am so excited to share with you my current foundation routine, and it's one that I've been loving because it is fantastic for when I'm shooting on camera, but also if I'm going to like a special event or I just want to like look really good but also not feel like I've got a ton of makeup on my face or just feeling really like done up, you know what I mean? I like a flawless, easy look, not necessarily, you know, pounds and pounds of makeup. So let's go ahead and get into this routine. So the first thing you want to do before you start your makeup is definitely a great skincare routine. I've already moisturized and prepped my face for this routine, and so definitely don't forget to do that because your skin is the most important part of a flawless look. And so we're gonna go ahead and use my current favorite foundation, which is the Hourglass Vanish Foundation. I am in the shade Warm Beige. And one of the great things about this foundation is that yes, it is on the pricier side. It's definitely a splurge, but it's going to last you so long. As you can see here, I am only using a very small amount of this foundation to cover my entire face. And then if I have any spots or areas that I need a little bit more coverage, I can just add a tiny bit extra on those areas, because again, this foundation, it is going to blend out really nicely without making you feel like you're caking on a ton of makeup. And at the end of the day, when it comes to my everyday foundation routines and even my skincare and beauty, I splurge on those really foundational things like cleansers and masks and moisturizers, you know, foundations, concealers. I think it's okay to use cheaper products sometimes, especially if you're going for like a certain look. But I think on a regular basis, it's better to use products that are good quality over anything and that are gonna last you. So for me, I prefer to spend a little extra coin on that really, really nice foundation that's not gonna break me out. You want your skin to breathe under there and actually look like skin, right? When you're wearing your makeup and foundation, you wanna look like yourself, but to a point where it still feels like you're done up. And I have to tell y'all about this brush that I'm using. It's the #2 brush from Hourglass as well. And you guys know I'm usually a beauty blender girl when it comes to blending out my foundation, blending out my concealer. But this brush is really doing something for me. I've been trying to get out of using Beauty Blender for everything because I've been seeing a lot of makeup artists using brushes a lot more now. And I think that it's a personal preference clearly on whether you're a beauty blender girl or you're a brush girl. But for me, I like to use a combination of all of them. And so I find with this foundation, this brush actually works the best with it. I actually am going to use it throughout my entire routine because it's just that good for blending. So I'm gonna go ahead and let the rest of this tutorial play out. You guys can see how I achieved the rest of today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely comment and like down below, and I will see you at the end of this video. for watching. Definitely stay tuned for my next video, and let me know down below what foundations you're currently loving from Sephora. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and definitely check me out on all socials. And until the next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye.